4 weeks ago, we certified the Summit County Sheriff's Office in Utah in the SafeWrap system. And in a matter of weeks, the SafeWrap system has already been explicitly named in a police report when 2 of their officers used the system to successfully restrain a violent mental health patient at a local hospital. Deputy Buck and Deputy Tim, you guys have been GST certified for a long time. I get a text message showing a police report that explicitly names SafeWrap. Deputy Norton, why don't you take us through, explain what happened, why you were called to the scene, and how it went down.
Okay. So a patient was dropped off at the hospital for medical reasons earlier in the evening. The patient had had a mental health break and became extremely violent, was kicking the door, running full speed at the door and slamming his head into it. The medical staff had to exit the room and lock him in the room that he was in, and they were afraid for their safety. Fortunately, Deputy Anderson was there, and she was able to speak to him in the patient in Spanish, and he responded to her, whereas he wouldn't respond to us in English. We took that opportunity to enter the room and use the SafeWrap system to secure him to the bed. I took upper body and secured his arms, and Daniela, our Deputy Anderson, took the legs and secured him with the SafeWrap system on the legs. We were able to give instructions to other officers in the room to help support us, and we were able to keep the situation calm and relaxed for the officers so that we could talk through this process. We ended up having to hold him for a long period of time, over 20 minutes before he was ultimately medically secured. I'd say it was a 10 out of 10. I don't think it could have gone better, and it definitely could have gone a lot worse. It could have easily devolved into something that was a much higher use of force, but because we had a technique that we had confidence in and knew that would work, we were able to secure him and keep him safe, physically restrain him regardless of whether he wanted to be or not. And the SafeWrap system worked great for that.
We're fully confident in it. After Tim and I had gone to the training and tested it out and been put in that position, we were very confident, and we wanted to roll it out as quickly as possible to our department.
Yeah, as an administrative perspective, it's nice to have something that we can not only use, like you said, with combative bad guy going to jail, but also combative person who just needs help. You know, we're not looking to go out and hurt people. We're looking to get you secured so we protect you from yourself. And it just looks great all around. We're not getting phone calls from the media saying, what did you guys do wrong? What did you guys do wrong this time? We actually had a phone call and a media presence with our local radio station that says, you guys are doing stuff right. And we got on the radio and talked about what we're doing here in Summit County, which has been great for us.
I love that. And Tim, you guys have been GST certified for well over a decade now at Summit County. SafeWrap is very new, but from the GST Summit County relationship, it's been over a decade. How many excessive force allegations against the agency have been lodged in that time?
Total of 0.
0. That's what I heard.
0.
I wanted to hear it from the horse's mouth, though.
100%. 0 complaints from anybody on a use of force incident in Summit County since we've implemented GST.
Thank you for your service. Thank you guys for the relationship for so many years. And thank you for being a model agency in terms of what other agencies should be doing to better equip their officers to interact with the public in safer and more effective ways. And I commend you guys for all you're doing there at Summit County Sheriff's in Utah.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for jumping on, you guys. Have a great rest of the night. We'll see you later.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching, guys. For anyone who's interested in getting certified to teach the SafeWrap system, whether it's law enforcement, corrections, EMS, fire, healthcare, you name it, join us at our upcoming 2-day SafeWrap instructor certification program here in Southern California. The course will take place March 24th and 25th, hosted at the Los Angeles Police Department, taught by myself and my brother, Rener and Gracie. We look forward to seeing you there. Learn more and register at SafeWrapSystem.com.